Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Easy Magic Video, which is a cloud-based video creation software with which you can create human spokesperson videos on demand. You will find a variety of niches to create videos with Easy Magic Video, and here are just some of the many niches. I'm not going to get too much into detail in terms of the process involved in creating these videos because I've already created a step-by-step tutorial. But let me briefly explain how it works. The video creation process is quite simple. You start by choosing a spokesperson, add clips by choosing your niche category, then choose the clip version. You have these 4 different versions to choose from. This is centered no text. This one is zoomed in. This is text only. And finally, this is text right. These options will allow you to keep your audience engaged in your videos. Let's go back to the script. So essentially, you just continue building your script by adding clips. You can also add image and video backgrounds, as well as include background music, lower thirds, and a closing slide. Once you finish your project, you can save it as a template, which you can edit later. And finally, render an MP4. Videos render quite fast. It's never taken me more than 5 minutes to render a 30 to 60 second video project. In terms of improvements, one major thing is that if you use a video background, it resets the background as each of the clips transition. So depending on the type of video background you use, it may be noticeable. That being said, you can always render a video with green screen and then use a video editor to add your video background. The other thing is that currently there is only one option for the text color, which is white, but I believe they will be adding another option for darker text color. Overall, I think Easy Magic Video is a very innovative video creator. It launches on May 14, 2018, and you can pick it up at a very special launch price. You can check the link in the description section to learn more. Well, hope you found this review useful. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.